If you're looking for simple, comforting and flavorful soup that will warm you from the inside out, then солянка is the one. You will need leftover meat wherever you have in your refrigerators, such as any leftover kolbasi, ham, sausages, 1 medium onion, 1 carrot, 1 fresh tomato, 2-3 pickles, black pitted olives, lemon, 4 cups of broth, chicken or beef, salt, black pepper, and your favorite herbs for garnishing. First, let's prepare the base for the soup. Cut bacon, chop the onion, and grate the carrot. In a large pot, add bacon and fry until golden brown. We will use the fat that is released from bacon for further frying. Add onions and grated carrots, sautéing it until soft and fragrant. Meanwhile, prepare all the meats. Add the meats into the pot. Stir it well, allowing it to heat through and absorb the flavor from the sauteed vegetables. Dice the pickles and add it into the pot. Then grate the tomato and add it into the pot as well. Stir everything together, allowing the ingredients to melt. Add black olives and the broth. Raise the heat to bring it to boil. Once it's boiling, add salt, black pepper, and bay leaves. Be careful with the salt, just remember you're using a lot of salty ingredients. Reduce the heat to a simmer and let it cook for about 20 minutes. This soup does not require a lot of cooking. You're using all cooked ingredients. So 20 minutes later, add lemon and garnish it with herbs. Give it another 2 minutes and it's ready to be served. Serve it with a sour cream on the side and enjoy this comforting, flavorful soup that will warm you up and also minimize waste in your kitchen. Enjoy! Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.